Woke up with a tight, stiff back? Let's fix that in 10 minutes with this gentle mobility flow you can do right from your mat. Welcome! This 10-minute mobility routine is perfect for anyone waking up with a tight or stiff back. No equipment needed, just move with control and focus on breathing. Remember, mobility means controlled movement through your range, not pushing flexibility. If something feels uncomfortable, reduce your range or hold the position for a shorter duration. Let's get started. Cat-cow plus child's pose flow. Start on hands and knees. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your chest. As you exhale, round your spine, chin tucked. Flow gently, feel each vertebra move. Now push your hips back to child's pose, reaching arms long. Return forward into cat-cow again. Keep your core engaged and neck relaxed. Nice and easy. Thread the needle, right. Reach your right arm under your body. Rest your shoulder down slightly. You should feel a gentle stretch through the upper back and shoulder. Slow breaths. Option: place your head on a block for comfort. Thread the needle, left. Same thing on your left side. Keep the movement slow and smooth. Avoid forcing the twist. Let your breath deepen it. Exhale as you reach under, inhale as you open. Half kneeling hip flexor, right. Step 1 foot forward, back knee stays grounded. Gently press hips forward. Feel that stretch in the front of the hip. Don't arch your lower back. Half kneeling hip flexor, left. Switch sides. Keep your core tight and chest tall. Make sure your front knee stays over your ankle. This move opens your hips and relieves low back tension. Hamstring hinge stretch, right. Shift back onto your right heel, keeping your leg extended. Hinge at your hips, not your back. Keep your spine straight and toes pulled up. Feel that stretch behind the leg. Hamstring hinge stretch, left. Switch to your left leg. Keep your chest long, shoulders back, and hinge forward gently. Breathe steadily and avoid rounding the back. Figure 4, glute stretch, right. Seated on your mat, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Pull the left thigh gently toward you. You'll feel the stretch in your right glute. Keep shoulders relaxed. Figure 4, glute stretch, left. Same setup on the other side. Pull in gently until you feel that deep, relieving stretch across the hip. Supine knees to chest, plus gentle rock. Bring both knees to your chest and rock gently side to side. This massages your lower spine. Slow breaths, let tension melt away. Stay mindful and present. Great job! You've just completed your 10-minute morning back mobility routine. Repeat this 3 to 5 times a week to keep your spine feeling loose and strong. Remember to stay consistent, hydrate, and prioritize recovery. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more beginner-friendly workouts, and let me know in the comments how your back feels today.